Yo! What's up?
Another fun run day.
Yeah, welcome to our running series. Yeah. So guys, nag-register ulit kami ni Sky sa another fun run. So ano lang naman siya, hindi naman siya really big event. So,
ngayon sa Oxygen Park. First time namin pumunta dito din.
Ano lang siya, parang locally, parang gano'n. Yeah, locally. Local event lang dito. So hindi siya gano'n kalaki.
Yung last time kasi
parang international event, yata siya, parang running event, gano'n, run GP. So this time parang dito lang. So Sky, mamaya siya, mauuna akong tatakbo. Pero mas mahaba yung kanya kasi last time yung tinakbo niya is 400.
400, ngayon 1 kilometer.
1 kilometer. Tapos yung age nila ngayon parang 3 to 6 yung category. So at this time naman, again, we will always sinasabi namin lagi kay Sky na hindi naman kailangan talagang panalo as long as yung finish na yung race and yung makross na yung finish line, yun lang naman. So yun, mamaya ng iba, mamaya ng ibang kwento kasi medyo na late kami, so, and I only have 15 minutes. Mauna akong tatakbo, 5K lang din naman. So mauna akong tatakbo, more pa ako. Done. Meron dong elevation pati doon sa pagpabalik. Merong elevation pabalik doon sa upper concourse ng park. I'm not prepared. May yung mga ibang babae mas mag-gusto sa akin kaya nauna pa sila tapos, diba? Now I'm done. So hinihintay lang matapos yung 10K din. Si Sky naman 1K, so I think isang round lang siya ng dito sa lower concourse. Isang round lang ng kasi 1K lang naman. And kinagandahan dito sa park na to, doon sa area na yun, aircon.
Meanwhile, we see are all made of gold. When your dreams all fail and the wrongs we hail are the worst of all, and the bloods run stale. Don't wanna let you down, but I am hellbound. Oh, this is all for you. Don't wanna hide the truth. No matter what we breed, we still are made of greed. This is my kingdom.
Right, kids, so it's one lap course. You're gonna follow these guys over here, okay? And they'll take you all the way around and you will finish here. Once you finish, you get your medal, okay? It's a very easy course, so just stay with them. Everybody behind the red line, when I say 3, 2, 1, we go. 2, 1, go!
Let's do it, let's go! Let's go! Breathe!
Go baby! Go, go! Faster!
Breathe baby, breathe! Focus, control! Control, let's go! That's my girl. Let's go. Leave them. Leave them.
Very good
Female, third place, Ellie Skyler Miranda.
Yes, Sky there.
In second place, Rami Al-Honsi. And the winner is Ayang Ongiman.
Wow! Third place! Wow, third place! Wow, second win! Second win is Kaya. Ang galing, baby! So proud of you, baby!
So guys, done ang aming running series and another winner. Yeah!
Third place,
Third
baby!
place. Almost muntik pa siya mag second place.
Oo, kasi yung second place sa harap lang niya.
As in siguro mga 5 steps lang yung gap nilang dalawa. Bigla lang din talagang bumilis yun.
Sayang eh.
So si Daddy hindi na naman umasa kasi hindi ko naman talaga inaasang manalo ako. Parang mga konti lang naman kami sa 5K, parang mga 40 participants lahat tatami, tapos pang 21 ako. Kung may 21 place baka manalo ako. So ayun, basta yung isa dito almost muntik na mag-give up. Siguro mga nasa 900 meters, almost 1K din pala yung tinakbo nila. So yung kay Sky, nandun na siya sa 800 meters yata. Bumibigay na. Nagme-mental breakdown na siya. Tapos pag cross niya sa finish line, naging okay naman. Tapos yung medyo naging close pa sa second place. But it's okay. So as long as
fun run.
Yeah, as long as na finish naman niya yung race. So we're done for our running series. Hindi namin alam kung meron pa next month sa November. Let's see kung anong event ang pwede namin salihan. But for now, it's over. So see you guys. Thank you. Subscribe. Thank you.
Come tend the garden with me. We have so many seeds to sow. When the harvest comes in, it will be time to share what we have grown. We were having the time of our lives when we started